We just got our hands on the Nike Air Force 3 NIGO, and we got a little something special here that we hit on the Travis Scott website for my daughter. Before we get on into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family. Don't forget, we are almost at 7,000 subscribers. Subscribe up. Once we reach 7,000, I will give away $100. Without further ado, let's get on into the video. Little story, you know I always got to give you guys a story. We hit the Travis Scotts on the Travis Scott website. I am the preschool god. I feel like I always hit preschool sizes no matter what. But you know, hey, we're just going to take a look at that, do a quick unboxing on that, and then we have the Nike Air Force 3 NIGO from the sneakers app that we hit as well. All right, so let's take a look at this and see what it looks like when you get it. Hold on, I need to get my scissors. We hit these on the Travis Scott website, and I usually get a dub on the preschool sizes. Still haven't got a dub on a men's size after all the Jordan ones that have released. Still haven't gotten one, but I think my time's coming when these velvet browns come out, because I really like those. So hopefully we can catch a W there in the men's sizes. So I'm just doing a quick little look there. As you can see, preschool size that we hit on the Travis Scott website. All right, moving on to the next shoe. We have the Air Force 3 NIGO. All right, and we hit these on the sneakers app. These are a size 13, and let's see what they look like. Honestly, I wasn't going to even try to get these. Obviously, you know why I got them, for resale purposes, of course. But I'm just trying to show you guys all the W's that we get so far for the year. I haven't been really just buying shoes like that unless there's like a deal. The only shoes I've bought so far recently are the Air Jordan 1 Low Mochas, because honestly, it's a good shoe to just beat up and wear around. So there is the box, and that thing looks pretty nice. That's a pretty nice box. I didn't know it looked like that. And I've never seen a pair of Air Force 3s. I know about the Air Force 2s and of course the Air Force 1, but I've never seen the Air Force 3. So let's see what this looks like. Like I said, these are a size 13. As you can see right there, we hit a size 13 on the sneakers app. And let's take a look. Ooh, that looks clean. I like that. So different kind of tissue paper there. Ooh, with the patch. Yo, I didn't know that. Okay, I like that. That's fire. That's what I'm talking about. Stuff that I love when they just put little cool stuff in the packaging. And then I think these are some pins. This is a big ass shoe. And this is a size 13. Now, of course, I'm going to give you guys a detailed look outside of what they look like, but I'm just showing you guys what they look like right when you open the box. That patch is pretty cool. So nothing else in the box there, just the shoes. But this box is pretty cool. I like that. And like I said, I like when they include little stuff in there. But let's take a look at these in detail so you can see what they look like. And there it is. This is what the Air Force 3 looks like. Just showing you a little bit in detail. It's kind of like a little pink, like I would say like a salmon pink color right there. But other than that, they're cool. They're all right. I wouldn't wear these personally, but not too bad at all. We have sold these already, so we're gonna ship these out. But that's it, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys what these look like in person. You can pull these off, but I'm good. They're just not for me personally. But that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Scoofy here. Like the video if you liked it. Let me know if you guys picked these up. All right. And that's it, guys. Scoofy here.